Let's go. As y'all coming in from YouTube, make sure y'all get that thumbs up for me. Thumbs up for me. I'm not gonna lie. Oops, my phone's really loud. I'm not gonna lie. I'm liking these KO puts. My screen looking mess right now. Yes, it do. I mean, KO puts. I said KO puts. I meant KO calls. KO looking really good to run. Want to see how this thing go. This ain't Texas. Hold on. What's up, fam? How y'all feeling today? How y'all feeling this morning? I like KO calls. I'm gonna try to get next week or this week. It really don't matter if you get this week or next week. If you get this week, there's no you selling today. If you get next week, there's no you can hold longer. But I like how it's making this. If you look on a 15-minute or 30-minute, right? We got the head right here. We got the left shoulder right here, and then this should be the right shoulder of that fall. So if we don't get the breakout today, I'm expecting it at least next week. Okay, and this is for KO. And as you can see, let's go to the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart. And I'll clear my charts for y'all so y'all can see everything. But here's why I like calls. Y'all see, right? This big ass green bullish candle right here that happened on the 20th, right? On February. This big green candle we wiped out, right? And then we ran all the way to 61. And then we fell to 60. So this fall, in my head, this is my theory. This fall right here was the retest from this breakout. And now we holding above the retest. So we hold above that retest level. So instead of drawing a line right here at the bottom of the wick, right? I'm going to draw it at the top of that wick, at the top of that candle because we're holding above that. So as long as we continue to hold above this level, I think we'll get a nice another green candle pushing up to $62. Okay. So I do like this for like a little short-term swing for next week expiration. It's a cheap contract, not too expensive. That's my play. Anyone smoking with me, man? Spark your L's, man. Everybody spark up. Let's go. We matching. We're gonna make some money and match. Smoking my blunt right now. Right now. Let's go. Top of the top. We live from the 215. Let's go. My lighter is dying on me. No. Let's go to spot. Had to start y'all up with that. That's next level I have for SPY is 511, I believe. 511, then 515. Let's go. Good morning, top of the top. Damn. I'll tell you my lighter going out on me. No. Y'all hear that, man? That's that crackhead lighter too. No. Well, I think my lighter just went on me, y'all. I really can't get this, y'all. Hold on. I fucking hate crackhead lighters. All right, there we go. Let's see. What shall we do? Top of the top. Make sure y'all hit that like button as y'all come in. Remember, we're gonna be live on Sunday. Sunday watch. Spies at all-time highs. Oh, let's see. Did QQQ break that 39 level? We just broke that 39 level. About time. It's like we was not breaking that thing. So long as I have QQQ staying above this 39, and it's golden. Go to the 4-hour chart. And as long as we stay above this 39, I think we good to go. Which is previous highs. And now SPY and QQQ lines up. Like, okay, now they both look the same. Yesterday it was like a catch-up day, right? And that's why I sent like, hey, be cautious because like, all right, yesterday SPY was just running right here, make all-time highs, right? And QQQ still ain't even break previous highs at 37. This 37 level right here. It was at 34, 35. So QQQ wasn't making all-time highs. He wasn't pushing them up when SPY was just running make all-time highs. So when you see that, that can mean two things, right? Remember, always two things when you see something like that. You see SPY running and QQQ staying still, or SPY running and QQQ falling, right? It only mean two things. A, SPY is about to catch up to QQQ and SPY is about to fall, so SPY is trapping. Or B, QQQ trapping. QQQ is about to run and catch up to SPY. And then once both the charts look alike, then they back on the same page. Now, look at SPY 4 hour. See it's running. See how it's matching? Look at SPY. Now it's matching. Now it's equal. Yesterday, it wasn't like that. Yesterday, SPY was just running and QQ was staying below this 37 level. It was at 35, 34 for a while. Then we broke out towards the end of the day. So, what I just say, either two things. A, SPY is going to catch up to QQQ and start falling. Or B, QQQ is going to catch up to SPY and start running. It's up to you to decide which way it's going to go. But a play like that can be a lot of opportunity because if you see SPY running and QQQ got the latency, now you can catch all the opportunity on QQQ because SPY's already did it. SPY already done it, but now you got the chance to do it on QQQ because it didn't do it yet, or vice versa. Let's look at the video. See the stay above that. Yep. Stay above at 820. Let's see KO doing. And remember, KO, I like KO for a swing, not a day. KO came right to that 61 level, and we hold that. Remember this. How did we get this 61 level? I literally just showed y'all. We on the 4-hour chart, right? We're looking at the retest. We see that we ran. You see that KO ran, right? Got rejected right here, 60, fell. Came up here, got rejected again at 60, fell. We broke through 60, then we ran. And then this red candle, it came, made a wick. So instead of drawing a line at the bottom of here, I'm going to draw a line at the top of that candle because I want to see it hold above. So that's where we got that line from. Hold above that red candle. All right. And so that red candle is today's low so far. And now we bouncing off that low, right? SPY coming down. Let's see. What should we do? Want to push up, make a higher high, and run to that 511 next, and then 515 after 511. Higher high. Let's go. If we come to that 515, I swear I have a 511 level, but I think yeah, I reset my charts. This is from last night's class. This chart is from last night's class. So I reset my charts, but I had a 511 level there. There's muscle memory. Just bounce again, made a higher high. Right off for 1 minute. QQQ. What time frame are you talking about? What time frame? So I don't. It's about right here. I wouldn't really consider this one or the 5 minute. I would try to like go to the smaller time frame to see if it's more respected. But I definitely do see what you're talking about. How like see that I like to do the time frame. So this the 5 minute chart. So I want to see more spread out. No, like that's why I said I want to go to a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute or the 2 minute, to see how it's like right now. So you don't really look like one this. That right down the 5 minute, what you seen right here, but you can still, draw your line. I see like what right here. We got pretty high right there. Well, that's five. Got some nice green candles. Look at these. Look at these candles. Some nice green candles right here. 9:30. Jumbo line right here. Zone is zone. Let's see. Later. Steve time retrace. First support I have. Let's see. I like to see who if we can come down here retrace hold here for calls. QQQ. Look at that. 39. So for the Qs, I have this 39 level, this previous high. This is the 15-minute, but it's previous high on the 22nd and on 12th. This 39.19 level for 39.19 for a retest level down here. For the Qs. So we got a bounce here. We've been bouncing off the 8 on a 5-minute chart like all morning. Ever since we opened, it's been bouncing off the 8, even at exactly 9:30. Had open candle, bounced right out the 8. Five-second candles closed. About 1 minute 55 on 5-minute. For this candle to close so far, we bounced off this 8. Let's see. We got high off this push. $55 left to close. Look at that thing. New high. Let the thing take off. It's going to take off. I reject it. Okay. Still got hope. If it don't just take off, still got time. It could just whoop, come down. I like to look at the 5-minute to see the candle, count the times on the time frames I'm looking at. So this 5-minute, right? And then we just open this 5-minute. We got 3 minutes left to close so far. We open this new 5-minute. we got rejected on the 1 minute chart from this previous highs. All right, so this can be take longer. This can just take longer. We're about to come down and make another higher low and bounce off. All right. Look at that candle. That's a big ass candle. And that's 2 minutes left on 5 minutes. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at this. We just wiped out all that. That's why patience is key. Just be patient. Be patient. And then we got, look at this. Oh my goodness. Damn. It came, bounced off that 8 on the 5, came right back. Boom. Got smacked. It's a big ass engulfing candle on the 5 minute chart. And we got some time left for it to close. So it can keep dropping. But so far, the way how this candle looking, if it don't make a crazy wick and bounce, because it's definitely possible that we can definitely come make a wick and bounce around here. But 145 left. Let's see how this candle close. But let's be patient though. Two. One minute left. I just making gaps at the gaps at the gaps. Like, all right, so you see that last 5 minute candle? We really got that wick right off the 5 minute. We wick right up to 21, came up here and closed there. So we literally came back and closed right where we was consolidating at before we got that big move down, right? And we came back and closed right back there. And then this candle, now we got to open, right? So this is the first open. And then we got 4 minutes left. But within this 4 minutes, just close below. This is going to be the first open and close below this consolidation zone. Below our area. Right here. Got like 3 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Two minutes left to close. We about to run. Let's see. We're about to run. We're about to drop. The video's still holding up. QQQ back at 439. And we got these gaps right here too. I got extended trader hours on, so I don't see it on the. I see it because it's a move. But I'll just do the fair. I'm trying. We got them gaps there. Oops. It's not me. Spot came right back, closed right above. Look at that. We came right back and closed in that same territory. But we still getting rejected though. Let me delete this circle. I think our first prediction right now that we could be setting up for this is just a retrace, right? Bigger time frame, right? Go to the 1 hour, got this big green candle. We came down, looking off of that, right? Go to the 15-minute chart. All right, still holding about that 8. All right, so we can definitely be building up to a run, but we wipe out and lose this level, this 509 I have. This is the gap. So we lose this gap level, I think we'll come down for this gap. But as long as we can, hold above this gap, which so far we came down, got 2 wicks, basically like a double bottom right here situation, holding above this, showing signs that you're not trying to lose and fill the gap right now, right? So let's see, go to 511, 512. What stocks y'all looking at? Comment below. It said QQQ. I got you, fan. I'm looking at QQQ2. You're looking at puts or calls. Let's see. Man, we just talked about this for 39 level too when we was up here at 440. So, for me, if this thing can, stay below, right, uh, 438. I mean, 439. This high. I think we'll come down more. And depending on how what SPY is doing, right? SPY just keep running, and just look at SPY 1 hour. We green right now. We running, right? It ran. QQQ dropped from 440 to 430. It's at 438, 70. Right. So this could be a situation like yesterday, how it was. So either QQQ about to catch up and start running to SPY, or SPY is trapping and about to come down and with QQQ rejection. Like, because if you watch like look at each other's charts, like and see like how it follow each other, it's like yesterday, you can literally look at yesterday, go back and look at yesterday and see, right? QQQ broke that. We look right now. It was towards the end of the trading day session. Once we lost some levels on SPY in the morning, SPY was just running. QQ came down all the way down to 434 for 2 hours back to back. All right. When SPY over there at 507, 505. Johnson and Johnson. If you got calls for J&J, yeah, it's looking like it's gonna run. This look like a good one. Especially if you're already in this thing, right? One thing I like about this is the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we got divergence right here, right? And then we made like a little inverted head and shoulders. The head, the left shoulder, the right shoulder. Came up, came down, made that right shoulder, held that right shoulder, boom. 100% move will be back over here because this is the one that started that bottom. But yeah, J&J definitely look good though. What you ain't not ready or thinking about getting it? You got 165, so all right. I'm saying 165. Yeah, so good. I got this first resistance right here. 160, like 163 to 163.50 for this first level. So even if we took it, drag it to the left, it should still be respected. And look at that. Oops. Look at that, right? Boom, boom, double top, fell. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Hold above that. 165 next. Definitely good. Look good though. And along with that, what I seen on the 4-hour chart, right? That divergence right here and the little inverse in the shoulder on the bigger time frame daily. All it was that was the higher low. Because this low is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this one. So the next higher low. Now we're setting up for the next higher high. So previous high is just 164, right? 163. It's previous high. Just in case we don't want to make a higher high. But higher high level, 165 plus. All right, we got this gap up here, 170 to 170, 140. Right here is this gap. But definitely looking good. Go to 165, then 170 miles. We can continue this new trend. All right. Now that I'm drawing the lines out, I'm like a big ass. What this look like yet? Let's see. Anyone know what this look like right here? That joint like a perfect. What this look like? Yo. Comment below. What did this look like? What pattern this look like? Come on, fam. What did this look like? Come on, this J&J. What this look like right here? Let's see. Let's see. Who? You said what? Rising wedge. All right. Let's see. Rising wedge pattern. Before we look at it, all right. So you're looking at this part right here. How it's coming up. Let's see. All right, looking at the rising part. Rising of the wedge. Let's see. So rising wedge. Rising wedge. Let's see. Rising. See, this picture look like it's running up, and then they get into like this form, right? Or let's go to another one. This one is running up, and then they get into this form. This one's coming down, right? Coming down, boom, and then coming up. So let's see. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see. Someone said a bull flag. Someone said a bear flag, and a bear flag. So two people said bear flags. One person said bull flag. So let's go to bull flag. And then we got a rising wedge, right? So bull flag, right? Look at this bull flag. It's running up, right? This running down. So let's go to a bear flag, right? Bear flag. This is what this look like to me. To me, this look like a bear flag. Oh, y'all. Oh, shit. Y'all can't. All right, my fault. I'm over here. I'm over here showing all the pictures. And y'all can't even see it. Good luck for telling me, bro. I forgot I be setting it just to YouTube. Give me 1 second. I gotta turn off on real quick. Screen. Entire screen. All right, there we go. Now you're gonna see my entire screen. Trigger hit. All right. So bear flag, right? It's coming down. Look, it's coming down, right? Boop. Coming up. I want a good picture. Look at this one. Coming down. Whoop. Now it's coming up, right? Bear flag. This is what it look like to me. Bear flag, right? And another thing what you see with bear flags, right, is that you got the flag. Look like a flag. Well, the reason why I say bear because it's a bearish one. But if you turn it upside down, like it would be like a regular like a flagpole, right? Like an upside down flagpole. That's why it's called a bear flag, right? But with the bear flags, one thing you want to watch out for is that you see how it's falling down to make this way down, right? What was it? I made a double top, then it fell, made a low, then made a lower high, then lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we stopped. Then we came up, made a lower high, came down, made a higher low, then made a higher high, broke previous highs, then made a higher low, then a higher high, came down, made a higher low, then we pushing up to make a higher high, right? So I would say that this is the bear flag setting up for a drop. And now that I see the picture clear, I like this gap right here for a TP at 171 to 170, and it lines up with this bear flag, and that could be the entry for puts to catch the drop down. And if I'm not gonna lie, I like this. It's a good setup. If we can get an entry for puts And we just held up fib real quick. Ooh, look at that. We got we not even we're gonna adjust it a little bit though. I mean, we're not going to adjust. The only reason why we're not going to adjust it is because this gap right here, that's the gap. If that gap wasn't there, then I would delete this rectangle and take over this rectangle. But we got 78.6 fib and 88.6 fib right there. 78.6 in, right? But 61.8, which we are approaching right here at 164. But I think we'll keep rising above that because this bear flag look a little. It's a little wide range, it seems, and it's just the start of it for real. So we can keep pushing up, but it can even come back to 1% to, I can't see. All right, I should be able to see now. Thank you. I can see. But we got this. We can even come up to 1%, make a double top, right? Make a double top right here. But this definitely looking good though. I'm not gonna lie. This 176 really could confirm. All right, cool. But with a bear flag, when you see a bear flag, and if you want a bear flag to play out, right? You don't want to see it come all the way up to fill the 100% move. like that's not, you don't want to see it. Like, all right, we want to see it fill it a certain percentage of it. That's why the fib tools is very important, if you use it or not. But that's why it can be very useful, right? Because percentages. That's really all it's about. And like, if you think about Fibonacci, right? Like everyone loved the 61.8, the 50%, and 38.2, right? That's like the go-to. And if you in the like, it's so powerful that they just threw it in there. They just threw that 50% in there. 50% is not a fib. It's not a fib. It's not a fib number. But people will say, "All right, they just say it because it's a percentage." They put it in there, like the who was it? It was it was some company back in the day, but it's really just a good retracement of that drop. So we made a big ass bearish engulfing. I forgot all about SPY too. I ain't gonna lie. I like this stock so much for like, bro. You got a good entry, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I hope you got a nice far enough strike as well. Y'all see my screen now? Y'all can see my screen. Let me see myself. Let me go on my phone and see. All right, bro. You got Friday. Today Friday. Next week Friday. What I'm about to say. Damn. Yeah, bro. I like this joint. Go ahead, get that money. But this thing look good, especially for like a bigger move though. And it literally just happened again. Look at this. Look at this last one, right? If we draw it, it came down, right? And then it started making higher lows and higher highs. We came up, and then we flushed again. Like, then look at the last one. Came down, came up, flushed again. It's like bear flag at the bear flag at the bear flag. So this like the third bear flag. It's like just keep repeating happen. It's like a repetitive bear flag over and over on Johnson and Johnson right now. They probably dumping this joint. Let's see, where did that first start at? 186. Yeah, so far the low 145. So like a $45 drop. What was the time frame of that though? So from that high, $500 and 54 days. That's a long time. That's a long time. That's really not. Let's look at SPY. Oh, let's look at KO real quick. I forgot about this already, y'all. My fault. I told y'all like calls of this thing so far, as y'all can see. All right, this is the update. Bounce over 61. Ran to 61.60. 60-cent move. I think it'll come down to 60. If we come to 62 today, that would be crazy. Because KO, yo, the way how this thing move, yo. I mean, like people, if y'all, for those that's familiar with penny stocks and stuff, I'm not really used to trading smaller stocks, but I'm getting the hang of it with this KO. I'm getting the hang of it, yo. Like I see, like it's different. Like you, like damn, you draw this line all the way to the top of here, all the way to the bottom here, and that's only 75 cents away. Like, huh? Or $1? A SPY, Apple, or Tesla, Nvidia, or whatever. It'll be like you drop from the top, the bottom, and we're on a 4-hour chart, right? So this bottom is 58, and this top is 61, right? If it was the video, this bottom would be like 600, this high gonna be like 800. This is meta. This low gonna be like you know what I'm saying? Like it's just different. It's different, but I'm starting to like when this thing move. Like, all right, today, for example, right, it moved from 61 to 55 cents. 55-cent move. And I'm not saying this can be any smaller stock. I'm talking about smaller stocks that move like this, right? Not just this one, but like if it got good volume in it and that thing moves, yo, your contract won't be like, what? Like it's ridiculous. So I'm definitely liking. I'm playing around with that, but I'm definitely liking it. SPY's still coming down. Look at this. I told y'all let's see if we hold up on this gap. This is the same. Listen, remember this is a gap from the daily. Came here at 0930. We ran from it. Came down, made double bottom. Boop. Did we make our high? No. Did we make a double top? Oh, we already made a double top right here. We made a double top. Then we got the first lower high from that double tops. Came down. So let's see. We come down, make a lower low, and come fill this gap. Looking like we about to come fill this gap. I'm not gonna lie. 1 hour looking bearish too. Sorry, that's the 15-minute. Let's go to 1 hour. Go to 4 hours. Still 4 hours still look good to run though. Still got 22 minutes left to close on the 1 hour. Yeah, this thing definitely looking like we can come down a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that was a good one. What's some other stocks you're looking at? The SMCI, that thing came right back. Damn, right to 78.6. 78.6 rejection. NVIDIA, damn. That thing below 800. Everything just turned, tables turned, huh? I bet you QQQ still below that 39. Not surprised. It said 38 and it made a new low. See, I think today could be like a late run up, a late push. Because we holding, it's not like we falling yet, or if we are going to, but everything look like it's holding. So this can be like a late push to noon. QQQ still holding. Came to 21, 30 minute, not losing it, still holding. QQ holding 8 1 hour. 4 hours still look bearish. Candle holding below that 439, but still not really getting no drop below it. We just holding right there at it. All right. Let's see. It can be a late run up. Yesterday, QQQ had a late run up, but then yesterday, SPY was just running exactly how it was. It was running, then QQ was just holding. It was just consolidating back and forth, going down, pushing up. It had a late run up. Today could be a late run up too. It can be a late run up. Just hold, go to the 15. We ain't doing nothing. We're going back and forth. That's why I don't really see it coming down too much. Like, even if we do fall a little bit, all right. Remember, we ran crazy. Look at this. So we definitely can retrace just to run more. Right? One second. I'll blow my nose real quick. Look at SPY. Let's see. You said NVIDIA? It said NVIDIA to keep going down. Oh my god! Whoa! Was it just like this? I just looked at this. Damn. I mean, we can definitely come down for sure. It's been happening a lot lately with earnings. Like look at Meta. Meta ran crazy, and then what happened? They started coming down. You know, it happens a lot, right? But we can definitely come down, retrace to boot, right? But right now in the 1 hour, definitely looking bearish. We lost to 8. So next level 770 around there. 4 hour 8 is at 769. Oh, I was $1 off in the 1 hour chart. But it'll like come down to that 770 level from the video. That could be a retrace to make so we can run. We got a gap right here too from today. Okay. So perfect. So hold above this gap, more upside. Hold below this gap, then below downside. Boom. So that's what I have from the video. So far, we touched the top of the zone, which is the top of that gap. All right. This joint might bounce and Everybody give me likes up, man. Likes up. Let's get it. That's a very interesting chart. Stock is Sir DKNG. That DKNG. Yo, I got stock. I've been keeping my eyes on. We got a gap right here, 41.40. Everything making a gap. So I'm gonna say the same thing. Like if everything hold above these gaps, I think we'll run. So DK and G want to keep holding above this gap. This could be the low of a run. This could be the low of a run. All right, we can even come back and do a retest. I see the daily. All right, this can be a retest. All right, we ran, made a gap, we ran, came down. All right, this can be the next. That can be the retest, and then we make a higher high. All right. What are you looking at for DKNG? Calls, puts? But this can be a situation where, but the one thing I do say is that these some big ass red candles right here. So I'll be careful on this because this can definitely come up, retest halfway this red candle, and then set up for a drop, and boom, come fill this gap. But what are you looking at for it? What are the stocks y'all looking at? Let me know. It's 10:40. I'm about to spark this L real quick. Let's get it. Talk to me. Let's look at the J&J. We looked at it already. Cool. Cool beans. Anyone else from YouTube? We're about to spot it. Spot's just dragging right now. It's just like, whoop. Look at that. Filling that gap. Oh, shit. We lost that gap level, y'all. I just realized that. We lost the gap level. Let's see we go fill it. Shot a clock on the dot. I'm freaking hungry. Anyone watch Avatar last night? Who watched that thing, y'all? Yo, apparently a lot of people watched that, yo. I posted it. People texted. They said, "Yo, that joke came back." Yeah, a lot of people fuck with Avatar. Yeah, it's a lot of nerds out here. So nerds with me. Shit. Let's see. We fill this gap, man. We got another gap down here too below. We got little gaps. We got a lot of little gaps below from pre-market. I'm not gonna lie, but let's see how low can we go. How low can we go? I go low. Over there. I go low. I don't know, I got the munchie right now. I'm looking at Disney too. So I want Disney to come down to 102 to 103. I like this 102 level. I don't think it's going to fill this gap. I think it's going to fill it halfway. And even if we do break below and fill the gap, right? If we do fill that gap, we're at 99, right? My theory is I have a support line going sideways, going up. This yellow line. And I got this diagonal line going down like this. And we broke out of it. So a retest would be right here at where these lines meet up. So like around 98, 97, and the gap is at 99. So it's going to fall lower than the gap and hold this. Then I'll like calls here for Disney around this 90 level. But looking for calls to hold my looking to hold my first zone at 103 right here. That's for calls. I see her QQQ did lose 438. Who looking at the Qs? It's about to lose 438. Somebody's about to lose it. Told y'all watch out for that 439 level. Good QQQ 437. That's a $2 drop from that 439 level. Look a spot. We filled the first gap. Just bounced off it. Yo, damn, QQQ. Look at Spy. Look at QQQ. They match now. I told y'all this morning. It can mean two things. QQQ will do what it did yesterday, and what it do yesterday. Had that late run up and caught up to Spy and start running. What it do today? Well, Spy start falling and catch up to QQQ today. It's like they just ping pong. It's like ping pong from yesterday to today. I got the next gap right there, 508.20. I ain't gonna lie. I'm done. The video dumping. What y'all looking at though? And a 43-3-1 call. Nice. Damn. Spy filling the second gap. Yo, damn. Told y'all it was a trap yesterday. This joint about to come right back down. We got the 15-minute, 1 hour. See, okay, we getting somewhere. Go to 30 minutes though. All right. We getting somewhere. We want to catch that drop. Caught some gains from that drop. QQQ. Stay below that 439 after getting rejected from 440. We about to pop some tags, and they got $20 in my pocket. Let's see, QQQ. How far do we go below that 439? Die! 436. Last time we looked at that joint was at 437. The thing fell. So how low can you go? Good Friday. It said Friday. Yes, sir. Hope y'all made some money, man. Let's see. I just text you. Actually, can you get some butter? Thank you. Thank you. That was a crazy drop we just got. Dang.
That's Chick-fil-A.
All right, but hold on. I gotta put the cheese on that, put it in the microwave. All right, man. I hope everyone had a great weekend, a great day, profitable day today as well. All right, got Spy with the 510 rejection. Then we make it to 515. And we got QQQ with the 439 rejection. Below that safe entry at 439 level. Right, with the fake out. So you seen it. CQQ was falling first and then Spy cut running. So right, that happens a lot. Pay attention to that. Because that can identify as a trap setting up, and that's how you can catch some traps, right? But other than that, we will be live Sunday for Sunday Watchlist at 7:00 Eastern Time. All right, so I'll see everyone Sunday. You have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend, man. Let's get it.